As the people requested, let's get into how I make my vision board lock screen. As we're nearing the end of the year, if you have not been thinking about your 2024 goals, girl, what is you doing? Let's hop on the bandwagon. But I start off by writing down the random goals that I just have in my head, like what I really want to improve upon or what I want to achieve in 2024. And then I just jot them down into a rough list before I go in and kind of group them into broader things so they're not so scattered. After I do that, I kind of check off the list to make sure that my scattered goals match my more broad specific goals. And that's when I kick back and relax and start to go on Google and search for these things in a picture format. So just to share some of my goals, I want to make sure I spoil myself more in 2024. I want me and my man to travel. I want to build long-lasting brand relationships and many other things. So I get pictures of what I want this to look like, and I save these pictures onto my iPad. After this, I take a minute before I come back to really start piecing together my vision board. So I upload all of the photos that I saved earlier into Canva, and then it's really just getting to work and how I want my vision board to look. The reason why I do a lock screen is because I look at my phone every single day. Everybody looks at their phone every single day. So this is a repetitive thing for me. I'm very much so a routine person, and seeing this every single day constantly really just helps me to reiterate what I'm striving for, what I'm looking for, and what I want out of the year. After I have the pictures arranged the way I want them to look, I add the year 2024 and I save it as my wallpaper, and this is what it looks like. Let me know if you have any questions or if you're going to be doing this before the 2024 year starts. Bye.